I made moi moi for dinner. So what I added in my moi moi are number one, I used shombo. That is the basic shombo and crayfish. Do not miss these two. I added shombo. I added my onions. But there's a twist to adding onions. I fried it. Put your granite oil in a small pot. Heat it. Then chop your onions and add. Fry it to change color, not to be like brown but translucent, so that the flavor will come out. Okay, I also added my seasoning and salt. That is the salt I'm adding there. Which other thing? Nothing again. So when I was blending, I blended everything together at the same time, and it is very, very important. Do not blend your beans different and blend your ingredients different. It's going to make your moi moi watery. So you're going to use your sense, your brain. When you add small beans, add crayfish, add pepper, just like that, little by little, so that everything will go at the same time. Do not do them separately. If not, you're going to get water, moi. All right, so after blending, that is it in the pot. What next are you going to do? Then add your salt. That is the one you saw me adding that, and add your salt and keep adjusting. Please remember, do not allow your salt to taste out, as in to be tasty. It should be a bit, I don't even know how to put the English self, but let it not be like salt at this stage. If it's like that, when it's done, it will be saltier, if there's anything like that. All right, okay, take note. So the next thing is for you to add your granite oil. I just added only 1 spoon. This is a scoopy spoon. I just added only 1 spoon to this, and this is 3 cups of moi moi. All right, okay. So after that, what do you do next? It's time to put it in your cup. Remember, by this time my water is already on fire. A little water in your pot, just a little water. I also normally add my rack in that pot so water will not enter my moi moi. Did you hear that? Please take note of all this one I'm emphasizing on. Put a rack, or you can put your pepper. Some people used to put pepper, some put foil, or you know that, but let there be a bridge so that the water in the pot will not seep into your mama. It will look somehow, please. All right, so by this time the water has started boiling. Now what do? I transfer my moi into cup. Remember, see this cup, take note of this cup. This is the cup you're supposed to use for your mama. Please do not use plastic, do not use cellophane, the one they call waterproof. Do not use that. Go and look for this cup in the market, please. This cup, you use it for ages. This my cup now is almost 4 to 5 years, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, and it's still shining. Okay, it's very good for you and for your health. Get this cup. When it gets bad, you change it and buy another one. It's better like that. Please do not use cellophane, and please do not go and buy the plastic cup. They have the plastic version of this. Please do not buy that one. Buy this particular one and you will thank me later. This one is safer health wise, stress free, because the plastic will keep melting. If it touches your pot, it will melt. We had this experience when we were younger. If you do not have the experience, don't even try to have it. Okay, I'm saving it for you. Do not make that mistake. Apart from health, it will stress you. It will keep on melting, keep on leaking. You won't like it. All right, so now after scooping this into my cup, this one gave me like 10 cups. That is my 3 cups of beans. Sometimes it gives me 12 cups. It depends on how I left it to swell, to soften. Okay, but this one we have it is either 10 or 12 pieces I have here. So when you are done putting the cup, you do what? You cover it. When you cover it, the next thing to do, my sister and my brother, is to now transfer it into your pot, because I told you guys that my water has started boiling. At this point I started boiling. Just a little water you put. Remember, emphasis on little water. Please do not add it as if you're cooking okpa. Do not add it as if you're cooking something that you tie in water cellophane. No, little. So therefore it's going to boil so fast. Okay, so now as you can see, I'm covering my cup. Are you see how fine this cup looks? And so they said, please go and get it. When you are done, just transfer it into your pot, then cover. Voila, your moi moi is about to get done. Just cover it on a medium heat. Allow it for like 30 to 45 minutes. Your moi moi will be ready. Thank you guys. See you next in my video. Bye.